Wanna know how to access or check messages in Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and make sure you are logged in. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're there, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as messages. So in order to receive or send messages, you need to make sure that you are first matched with that person. So just simply select match right here on the left side if you haven't, and once you're matched with each other, you should be able to message it. So simply select messages right here, and once that is done, you should be able to see messages easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of this related videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.